So this is the problem with my steering wheel. As you can see, it's worn out on this section here. There's no way to repair this unless you want to wrap it with another leather. It's pretty worn out from the previous owner. See? So the fastest way to fix this is just to replace it. I bought a steering wheel from eBay and it's in very good quality. It also has all the options that I have on my steering wheel. So the only thing I have to do is transfer the airbag and install it, and that's it. This steering wheel will be looking brand new again after. So this is the steering wheel I got from eBay. So it's in pretty good quality. It came from an accidented car with a rear end damage. So the steering wheel's in good condition, and there's no airbag on it, but it has the same option like I have on my steering wheels. It's heated also with the adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. So everything is the same option like I have on my steering wheel. So this is a direct fit. So I hope there should be no problem in replacing that steering wheel on my car. So as you can see, it's a nice used steering wheel. Plus I did already clean it because it's a bit dusty when I received it. So now it looks so clean, looks like brand new. So it's ready to be installed. So first we have to disconnect the battery, but the battery is buried down there. So we have to access the negative pole on that and disconnect the connection on the battery. So we have to take out this plastic panel here, take it out, take out the intake, and then we can access the battery. So this is just held by some clips. So slowly, just be gentle with it so you don't break the plastic. So just wiggle it. That's it. Then you can remove it. So this is a 10mm. Just loosen the negative. Just loosen the negative and pull it out. You put a rag there so it doesn't come back. So now we can remove the steering wheel. So here we have two T30 Torx bit. So we need a Torx bit on this side and also on the other side. So you can pull out the airbag, and then we can access the main bolt that's holding the steering wheel. So that's a T30. The magnet to take out the screw. There you go. So now we can pull out the airbag. Just pull it out slowly and disconnect all the cables. So we have to unplug that connector there, the green and the gray on the airbag, and also the ground wire over there. Then we can pull out the airbag, then we can remove the steering wheel with that big nut in the middle. Green one on the right. So the green one is on the right. So now I got my airbag removed. So to remove the connector, you have to pull up these white tabs together, and then you can pull out the connector on the airbag. The same thing on this side. For the ground wire, you just have to press this lock here and pull out while you're pressing it, then it's gonna release the airbag. So also we have to remove this big connector here, and also this connector here, before we can loosen this bolt and pull out the steering wheel. So to remove this connector here, you have to squeeze the tab here and pull out at the same time. The same thing on this big connector here. There's a tab on the bottom. There's a tab on the bottom. Just squeeze that while you're pulling the connector. So here we have a number 10 hex. It's a number 10. So this nut is really tight, so it took a while from the impact drill to take it out. So now we're gonna mark a line or a dot on the center part of the steering wheel. So when we put the new steering wheel, we know that this center part of this plastic is gonna go to that center part of the dot or the marker. So I put a marker, a black marker, in line with that plastic marker there on the white piece. So when I put back the new steering wheel, it's gonna have to be in line with also with that black marker there, for that one, for that piece of plastic with the marker also. So they have to be in line, so your steering wheel is not crooked when you tighten it down. So now I'm putting the new steering wheel. Just make sure it's aligned. Pass the connector inside. Underneath. So once I put back the steering wheel in line again with the plastic trim, center line with the marker, now it's ready to install the bolt again. So I'm gonna do this by hand, and I don't know how much the torque is, but there's a Loctite on it. So okay, that's very tight. So now I just have to plug back the connector and put back the airbag and put the 2 bolts on the back, and the installation is done. Push back the gray connector and the green one. That's it. So I just pushed back the gray and the green connector on the airbag and also the ground wire. That's it. Now we can install it back on the steering wheel. So now you just have to put back the 2 bolts on the side, the T30 bolt, and that's it. So after tightening back the airbag on the 2 sides with the T30, now the installation is done. So that's how you replace your steering wheel on the Acura MDX 2018. So that's it for this video, guys. Now please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.